an ash log cold and gray. A chainsaw sings its metal plea to sculpt a love that won't decay. A valentine for all to see. Chips fly high, a dusty cloud as the engine roars. A mighty sound, shaping curves, proud and loud, where true love's promise can be found. Ash hot, steel arrow piercing through the core. A lover's craft forevermore, with sparks of fire and a welder's glow. A passion story, watch it grow. The heart takes form, a perfect line, but something's missing, a subtle sign. Metal gleam, a silver shine, for Cupid's arrow truly divine. Forged in heat, a careful bend through the woody grain. It will extend this rustic symbol without end. A lover's message I will send. Ash hot, steel arrow piercing through the core. A lover's craft forevermore, with sparks of fire and a welder's glow. Our passion story, watch it grow. A touch of color, what could it be? Not too much for all to see. Just a hint of crimson, wild and free, to make this carved heart beat for me. A splash of red, a vibrant hue, to bring our wood and passion through. Fresh from the workshop, strong and new, my ash heart's beating just for you. Heart, steel arrow piercing through the core. A lover's craft forevermore, with sparks of fire and a welder's glow. Our passion story, watch it grow.